Hey everyone, John here with Billings Seafood Guys and home of the Wild Alaskan Seafood Box. We're back again with another episode of simple seafood recipes. So we're finally doing our air fryer rockfish today. So this is a really easy recipe. You guys have seen us post a bunch about this on social media, and we're finally getting this recipe video for you guys. So really, we're just gonna use one rockfish fillet. You'll see us, we're gonna cut this into about 3 or 4 portions. And then all we do is we're gonna have some egg. So we're gonna dip that rockfish in egg. And then we're gonna use some breadcrumb. We'll mix that breadcrumb with a little paprika and just a good seasoning. Just another good seasoning with some spices, a little more paprika, some garlic, some dill. And really you can do this to your own taste. If you like it a little spicy, if you like it, a little more garlicky, you can use different spices to mix in with that breadcrumb. Or you can also get a breadcrumb that's already seasoned. We got plain, so we're gonna add the seasoning to it. So the first thing you wanna do is make sure you heat that air fryer up. So we're gonna go heat this up real quick, just for like a minute at 375, and then we'll put the rockfish in it and get cooking.